All right, guys. Hello, everybody. This is Mikin. I'm a forex trader, and I want to help one or two persons today. With some kind of easy way of trading. I know that the market is at times very, very confusing, and for new traders, it's really, really difficult. And everybody wants to make money out of the market. I know um, this system that I'm about to show you is going to help you. It's going to take you a very long way. Um, I've been there too, and I think it's time we help. We give a hand of help. So actually, this is a combination of some indicators. I'm going to show you along the line. This is the blue lines you see is the support and resistance zone. There is an indicator. There is an indicator actually for that called the support and resistance zone indicator, which I have selected the most targeted areas, uh, and that's what you can see on the screen. And then the ticks up here represent the RSI, yeah, the relative strength index. This indicator here is not the usual RSI, which is in the MetaTrader 4. I downloaded it from a website. I can send it to you if you really want it. Yeah, you can send me. You can write me on the comment section, and I will send you all these indicators. So this is the RSI. I use it 70 30. No changes, because I believe that those who created the indicators knows that the setting is appropriate for those indicators. But anyway, everybody have the right to change it the way they want. But I think it is the right setting. So this is the RSI, which when it touches the 70 and 30, you can see the ticks. So we don't actually need to look into the RSI all the time. We just check on the tick in our charts. Is much more easier than just much more easier than looking at the RSI, trying to see if it touches the 70 line or the 30 line. And then here, the second indicator we have here is the MACD. Yeah, I'm going to show you in the course of time how it actually works. So that's the MACD. For those who don't know how the MACD works, maybe we will do that especially on another video. But for now, I just want to show you this system. For somebody who can build up this same system, I think it's going to help. So we have here the 200 moving average. The line you see here is the 200 moving average. Yeah. So when the market goes down to an oversold, you can see here is indicate. You see the little tick is showing that the RSI is on oversold. Yeah, and then you see this line, it bounces on this line, which is a very strong support line, a verified support line. Actually, it's a very strong support line. You can see it here, it runs right up to here. It is a very strong support line. So this indicator matches with the RSI. And then the blue dots you see all over here is from the Mbfx snatcher. The Mbfx snatcher is part of the Mbfx system created by Bear Kayak. So, but I have just take from it the Mbfx snatcher, and the yellow dots are the strongest turnover point that the Mbfx snatcher indicate. There are many turnover points that you can see that here. This is actually how it will looks like normally. Yeah, with a lot of little area where the market is going to turn. But I don't want to look at that because I want to keep my charts clean and easy to understand. It makes it a little bit junky right now. So, but for me to make it clean, I just use just the main turnovers, which you can actually see those main turnovers also matches with the RSI, and also you can also see the support and resistance zone. So when you have such a zone like this, matching the RSI, matching the Mbfx snatcher, matching the support and resistance zones, this strong support zone, uh, everything tells you that the market is going to respect it. Yeah. But now you see the moving average actually is not really respecting this too, because if the average was like below here, it would have been much more powerful. But the moving average is over. But here we have about three, or let's say four, because we have the MBFX trend director, which is this arrow. Yeah, this arrow that appears, yeah, the Mbfx trend direction. So if you have like the RSI, the Mbfx trend director, and then the strong support zone, a lot of things matches inside here, so you can dare to take a buy in this area, and definitely you are going to have, that's giving us around 72 pips. Yeah, but I'm going to show you other trades where you can find all of these indicators telling you what the market is going to do. Is fantastic, and there is no straining when you have all these things put in place. I know some people don't use, or not are not really into indicators, but I think the main issue with indicators is how you use them. Just junking them on your chart is not the idea, but how you use them. Okay, let's look at some other charts and see what's actually going on. Okay, here we see here the snatcher hits the support, the strong support. Yeah, actually there are a lot of support areas all over here, but I've selected only the verified support from the support and resistance zone indicator. So this is very strong. In trading, it's better to take a quality trade than quantity trades. Yeah, so if you can get just one trade in a week that will take your account upward, then you have made a profit for that week. So you don't need to like trade a whole lot of currencies, or maybe put a whole lot of trades everywhere, hope and then think, and then for you to make a profit. You need just one good, perfect setup to make all your money for that week, or maybe your money for that day if you want to. Yeah, so we have here the the MBFX snatcher bounces off the 200 line. You can see here, bounces off the 200 line with a very strong support area. So here we can also take a buy, but there is one thing: the RSI is not indicating, which means I think this is a little bit far away, but I think the RSI would have indicated if this wasn't like a past kind of market, if the market wasn't like behind it. I think if it was a current market, the RSI would have indicated. So let's go to an area where we can find all those things put together. Yeah, you can see here the snatcher with the RSI and the 200 moving average. The three of them coincide in this area. It's a very powerful area. Yeah, it's a very powerful area. So a buy here would have given us about 173 pips. It's powerful. Yeah, so let's look. I want us to look in some areas. Here you see the same thing. Here we have the RSI telling us the market is already oversold, and we have the MBFX snatcher already here telling us this is a strong turning point. Then we have the moving average, and then we have the strong support zone. It's powerful. It's powerful. All you need to do is just to enter your buy order and relax and wait for your money to come in. It's as simple as that. So for those who want to know more about this technique, there are a lot more of trades out here. I don't know. In fact, the market is just like full of it, but you need to be able to spot out those areas. Then you are good to go. Yeah, you see here, one, two, three, all of them merged together. There is no doubt. Yeah, the last one that is remaining here, it would have been a very strong resistant line here, but even though we don't have the resistance, we can try something here. But it's good when all of them are together. I think we have some. We see here, I'm already in this trade. We have here the RSI, and there's a strong resistance area here, and the snatcher. All of them put together, the market is going down. In fact, it's just going down. There is just no way out. Yeah, it may have some kind of a little bit of bump here, but definitely going down. Yeah. So uh, I will look for some of those trades and spot them out. And then, if you want more of this strategy and you want to know more about it, just write a comment or something, and I'm going to make more video on this, and a detailed video, yeah, about this strategy. Yeah, uh, about this strategy. I'm just looking at. Just going through it right now, you can see for yourself. It's very, very powerful. It's very, very powerful. The strategy is very, very powerful. I've been using it for some time now, and I couldn't just help but to share it, because I know there are many of us out there, who are facing a very hard time financially, especially during periods like this, like the coronavirus period. It's hard, and with a good strategy, you can make some money at home comfortably, knowing that your capital is safe. You know, yeah. So things like that, we can do that. We can do that. You can see one, two, three, and it breaks the 200, and there it is, a go. Yeah, a go. So it's very powerful. It's very powerful. So guys, we will look into this strategy more next time. So just leave your comments, and we will talk about it when I get your comment. And if you're interested to know how I came about this, and want to learn more, I'll be waiting. All right. Okay. Till then, you take good care of yourself, guys. See you, yeah, in the next video. All right. Peace, 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 peace.